welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Now, welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. I encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it, and kindly subscribe anywhere you just subscribe before you leave the page. Make sure you subscribe. You know, we have over 300 videos for you to watch. It allows you to get direct updates from us anytime there is new updates. And mind you, if you want to make any comment or you want to make any request, presently we host students online. We have online platform. Anyhow you want it, you can call upon us. Even physical class, we are always there for you. Now you can reach us with this line. Now you can do three things with this line. The first thing, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Now either of the three, you are good to go. Okay, in this video I'll be walking you through on those two things, which is cubic and cuboid. Cubic and cuboid. Now the cubic is being formed by what? Cubic is being formed, it means it has equal length, which is it will have generated by what? By square. You know, also having something like this. Don't mind me, sorry about that. You can have it this way, have it this way, have it this way, have it this way. This is my cuboid. It means everything is equal. This is my x centimeter. Now, but in my cubic, it will not, the story will change, which is going to be in form of what? It will be formed by what? By rectangle, which is going to be having something like this. Now, I can have something like this also. I can have something like this also, which I'll be having something like this. Now, by so doing this, it means we are talking about this is a cubic, this is a cuboid. That is what you need to understand here. Now, when we talk about cuboid and cubic, one is like this, one is like this. You know, it will be like in form of this shape. It means you have it in a solid pattern like this. You know, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? That is, we have 6. Can you see? That is a cuboid. Now, a cubic is just like you have a sugar. You have something like, okay, you can see the cuboid is just like the other part of the cubic is the cuboid. Cuboid have equal, like a sugar case. Please let me use the word sugar case is one of the cubic we are referring to. Please, they all have their property. Should we talk about the property first? Properties. Now, the properties we to talk about. Now, talking about cuboid first. The cuboid has 3 faces. Now, faces area, it will be equals to 6 of what? Area of one face, which is going to be 6 of the face is this, which is going to be L squared. 6 of L squared. Don't forget that 6 of L squared, it will be in unit square, which is unit squared. Now, why also I'm calling x, which is s I call upon there, he just call is a what? Length. It's length of the side. Is the length of the side. Now, since I have that, and my volume now, volume will be equals to, my volume will be equals to base area multiplied by height. Multiplied by height, which I have it as x squared multiplied by what? Another height, because they are all equal, which I'll be having it will be equals to s raised to power 3 centimeter or units cubed. S raised to power 3 unit cubed. That is all we need to have them. And also on cuboid, it means my cuboid surface area also will be equals to, this time around we have 6 rectangle. Now we have 6 rectangles. Now what are the 6 rectangles? I've counted it then, which is we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. Now which I've counted it earlier, it means will be equals to the area of those 6 rectangles, which is going to be 2 of xy plus, let me call this one x y and z. Now it means 2 of xy plus 2 of xz plus 2 of yz. That is what we are referring to. Now it means my volume will be equals to, it will be equals to base area multiplied by height. Base area multiplied by height, which is, now what is my base area? We have it as xy multiplied by height is what? Is z, which is going to be xyz units cube also. That's my what we need to know. You can see cuboid and you can see cubic, how they are just like, this one is being formed by rectangle, while this one is being formed by square. That's just and there are 6 faces on each of them. There are 6 faces. Why this one is always easy? Because of what? The length, because of the square. Anyway, it will be equal. That's just what we are talking about. Okay, now let me try to add 1 or 2 examples to this so that before we call it a day. Now, if I have okay, don't forget length of the diagonal also can be, length of the diagonal can be found by using, please take note of that. I don't know. Now, if the volume of a cube is 8 multiplied by 10 raised by 3 centimeter cube, what is the surface area of the cube? I'm looking for the surface area of the cube. Now, what you need to know here is solution. Now, it means surface area. Now, okay, my surface area of a cube equals to 6x cubed, x squared. It means my volume will be equals to x raised to 3. Now, it means I'm talking about if the volume of a particular, it means my x, it means 8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 equals to x raised to power 3. Now, multiply both power by what? 1 all over 3 by 1 all over 3. This will cancel this. This one will be 2 raised to power 3 all over 1 all over 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 multiplied by 10 all over 3, which is going to be what? X. This will cancel, this will cancel. We have 10 times x equals to 20. X equals to 20. Now, since my x equals to 20, if that is the, now what is the surface area? My surface area is always equals to, my surface area is equals to 6 multiplied by x. 6 multiplied by x squared, which is 6 multiplied by 20 squared, which is going to be 400. 400 times 6, which is going to be 6 multiplied by 400, which is going to be 2,400 centimeter. That is that for that. Now that is all. That is for that. Quickly, let me quickly explain on the keyboard and finish this part. And also we try to move on freezing. Footstone. Now, if I have a keyboard this way, what is the total surface area of a keyboard whose dimensions are 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Now, solution to this question. Now, these are the dimensions. Anyway, these are the dimensions. Now, how do I go? I'm talking about a keyboard. It means my keyboard is always equals to S equals to 12 centimeter, Y equals to 8 centimeter, and Z equals to 3 centimeter. That is the meaning. Now it means I can say that total surface area will be equals to 2 of xy plus 2 of yz plus 2 of zy. I mean xy, yz. That'll be yz and xz. Sorry, xz. Now, since I have it this way, I can now say that what? It will be 2 into bracket of, I have xy, 12 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 12 multiplied by 3, which I will have it, which by having them together, I will be having, my answer will now be equals to 132 centimeter squared. That is all. That's all. The same thing of likewise my volume. If I have to find the volume, is not included in the question. It means my volume of this particular solid shape, it will be equals to 12 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3, which is in centimeter cube, which is I'll be having that, and that is all what I need to have. Don't forget, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video, and also if you have not subscribed before, you will see a red button. Just press on it. You will subscribe on our platform. It means you have direct updates from us. Just in case you need online class or other things, you can reach us with this line. Now, with this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Once again, thanks for watching.